Ready to transform your Premiere Pro skills and make your videos pop with stunning animated strokes? Let's jump right into Premiere Pro and get started. First, create a new project and either import a graphic with a rectangular shape or create a basic rectangle using the Shape tool in the Essential Graphics panel. Once you have your shape, ensure it's selected. Navigate to the Effect Controls panel. You'll see options for the rectangle, and within that, you can customize things like the stroke color, width and opacity. Now, this is where the magic happens. We're going to animate the strokes. Reveal focus on the stroke's width parameters. To start animating the rectangle's stroke, click the stopwatch beside the stroke width, which will add keyframes to start our basic animation. Move your playhead to the beginning of your timeline, then set a keyframe on the stroke width in the Effects controls. Set the stroke width to 0. Now, drag your playhead forward a very short distance, maybe about 10-15 frames, then set a keyframe for the max stroke width you'd like to use, for instance, 100px. This is your starting point for the dynamic reveal. Repeat the process across small increments in the timeline by setting each keyframe and adjust the stroke width to follow the shape. Adjust the stroke width in the second keyframe to say 5px and in the third keyframe 8px and then 0 again to add cool effects. Now, play back the animation. See how your stroke appears. By adjusting the distance between your keyframes, you can change the speed of the animation. Experiment with different stroke opacity and color to match your video style. This technique is great for adding visual interest, highlighting information, or creating animated transitions. Now go experiment with different shapes and create your own unique animations.